Nnamdi Kanu, judge warns SSS over delay of court proceedings. Do welcome to today's news, and thank you for tuning in to the news. But please do well to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell for more updates. Now to the news details. Please endeavor to listen carefully to the end. The Federal High Court, Abuja, has warned against further delays in the suit filed by the leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, against the State Security Services, SSS. The judge, Binta Onyako, gave the warning at Wednesday's proceedings before adjourning the hearing until May 2022. Wednesday's hearing could not go on due to SSS counsel Idowu Awo's request for more time to respond to a further affidavit in the case. Mr. Awo requested more time to file a response to a filing served on him by Mr. Kanu's lawyer, Mike Ozekome. The News Agency of Nigeria, NAN, reports that Mr. Kanu, who is detained by SSS over terrorism and treasonable felony charges instituted against him by the federal government, sued the SSS and its Director General as first and second respondents in the matter. Mr. Kanu was first arrested in 2015 and was later charged over his separatist campaigns for the independent Biafra Republic, comprising mainly the Igbo-dominated Southeast region. The Court of Appeal in Abuja dismissed the charges against the IPOB leader in a judgment last year, but later gave permission, allowing SSS to continue detaining him, pending the federal government's appeal at the Supreme Court. A 5-member panel of the Supreme Court, led by John Okoro, last week fixed 11th of May for the hearing of the case. Mr. Kanu, in a suit marked FHC/ABJ CS 2341/2022, urged the Federal High Court in Abuja for permission to apply for an order of mandamus to compel the DSSS to allow him unhindered access to his medical doctor, among others. The court had, on 1st February, granted Mr. Kanu the permission to apply for an order of mandamus he sought in an ex parte motion filed on his behalf by Mr. Ozekome, a senior advocate of Nigeria. But in a preliminary objection filed by the SSS, the security outfit urged the courts to dismiss the suits for want of jurisdiction. It argued that there was a subsisting judgment of a sister court delivered by Taiwo on June 3, 2022, in suit number FHC ABJ CS 1585/2021 between Kanu and the Director General of SSS and 2 others, wherein the court dealt substantially with the issue of allowing the IPOB leader access to his personal physician. It said the instant suit was similar to the earlier one, and that Mr. Kanu had filed an appeal against the judgment. At the resumed hearing on the matter, Mr. Ozekome informed the court that he had responded to the SSS notice of preliminary objection. After Mr. Awo applied for an order for the extension of time to file their processes, Mr. Ozekome prayed for a consequential order, deeming their further affidavits as duly filed. The court granted both requests. But Mr. Awo, who said he was just being served with the further affidavits, said he would need more time to study the document whether fresh facts had been raised. He said the document contained 60 paragraphs with 15 other subparagraphs embedded in them. The case of Nnamdi Kanu every day is becoming over-alarming, whereby the federal government have refused to release him from the detention. And also, the court's trial is adjourning his case day in, day out. But now, the judge has actually warned the SSS over delay of court proceedings. And also, Kanu was also given the permission to actually get access to his personal physician. No more delay. The judge, Mrs. Nyako, in a short ruling for an adjournment, said she would not tolerate any acts that might delay proceedings any longer. She will not allow this case to be truncated in the next adjourned dates. There must be an end to the exchange of processes. So the judge adjourned the matter until 22 May for a hearing. We have come to the end of the news. What's your take concerning this? Do share your comments in the comment section. Thank you.